revenue stream projects, like how we can increase in revenue, identifying the revenue leakages, costing, changing the
Mhm.
costing methods. These are actually the modeling and identifying that where is
Okay.
the actual
Okay.
leakage, and figure it out and put up some kind of sheer process on that to provide more revenue for the company. So there are three areas. Like what I said, one is
Mhm.
purely analytics based on trade and everything. And second
Mhm.
is the reporting, which is related to the port operations and everything. And third is the cost and revenue analysis of each and every items.
Okay. Awesome. Great.
So
So,
currently we are using an application called the SAS, which you are
uh-huh.
aware about that as well.
Yes, yes.
And,
ERP. Yeah, yeah.
and I started putting a baby step on Power BI as well.
All
Uh,
right.
the challenge is basically the Power BI is just the syntax differences is there already,
Mm-hmm. Dex
which
queries you're talking about.
the DAX queries,
Mm-hmm.
which I
All right.
learned certainly, but my teacher is still there as ChatGPT, so I can use that.
Chat GPT is awesome. Like, it's really difficult to remember everything. Like, there are multiple calculation which we need to perform. So
Yeah, see,
even Microsoft
even
also, yeah, Microsoft also provides the Dex queries for some common scenarios.
yeah,
Okay, so Naveed, I am Pranjali Srivastava, and basically I'm going to teach you the SQL part. And I am a Microsoft certified trainer, and from the past several years, I have been providing trainings to professional in Power Platform, in Dynamics 365, and Power BI as well, Excel, Python, SQL. All
okay,
right. Okay, so that's it about me. You have already gave you your introduction, and I was waiting for one more participant to join.
yeah.
I don't know whether he is going to join today or not. But
So
before that, yeah.
before step into the SQL, so we need to download that SQL app and everything, something.
Yeah, yeah. So let me help you with that. On the chat section, I am providing you one link. You need to navigate to that link. Okay. So let's do the installation today, and maybe from the next session. I think we have next session on Monday. So from Monday we will start the course. So
Okay,
first
good.
installation is kind of important, right? So whenever whatever you are learning in the class, you can have the hands-on practice with your own whenever you have time. So
Okay.
just allow me a minute.
Actually, the Friday is not a convenient day for me, just for info.
Oh, okay.
Just because of
So,
the Monday, I skipped the Monday class because that was short. I took a short vacation last Monday,
uh-huh.
so that's why postponed. I told them postpone to Wednesday, and Wednesday, since Wednesday is New Year, I know you guys also.
Yeah, yeah, Wednesday was New Year.
So I always prefer Sunday and Monday. If not
Sunday and
Sunday,
Monday.
I told
Okay.
her on Friday as well, but unfortunately, I understand Friday is not a right day because all our the Friday is a weekend here.
Yeah.
So we work afternoon and we go out on Friday and Saturday. And Sunday we don't go out because the next day is a working day, so we actually spend the whole.
Okay, so you will prefer then Sunday instead of
Sun,
Friday.
yeah, Sunday evening I'll prefer. But
Can you adjust for just like for one course, then we will have like discussion on Sunday class, because we have in this batch we have already enrolled three more participants, and they are like fine with the timings and days. So if you can adjust this for sequel, then we can think of other letter course, we can go for like Sundays.
and adding it to how you adding it to episode. Sorry, if you're saying Sunday, if I can, how will adjust means adding it that.
Yeah, so after completing the sequel, for the next course, I am saying like we can adjust the days.
Now, is it okay that any other days you can prefer in between Tuesday, Wednesday, or
Mhm.
Thursday? One of
Okay,
that.
okay, okay. I'll have the discussion.
Wednesday,
Just
I can choose Wednesday, Monday and
you
Wednesday.
can. Okay, you can choose Monday and Wednesday. Okay, just give me a minute. Let me write down so I'll have the discussion with my team. Okay, Monday and Wednesday, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
So basically, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday is a working day. Friday is a half
Mm-hmm.
day, which the weekend starts on Friday. So why I'm preferring Sunday also, I'm okay in the evening. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
If Sunday is not
Okay.
possible, either one of the Tuesday, Wednesday, or Thursday, either one
Sunday
of.
is possible. Yeah, Sunday is also possible, but I think the mentor will be different for Sunday batch.
Okay. No, check that. Check
Uh,
that. It's okay.
Okay, so you're fine with Monday and Wednesday, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, I'll check.
Even if a
I'll
Sunday,
schedule.
you can check that like after 6 UA time, after 5 also you can check, or after 6 also you can check. No need to wait till 9:30 as well. In Sunday, I'm talking about Sunday.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Okay. All right, all right. So
Even the
yeah,
if you
yeah.
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, all four, and Sunday,
Mm-hmm.
this is the 5 days I'm preferring. You can
Mm-hmm.
prepone if you want. You can prepone to 7:30 or a 7 as well. That's not an issue. Yeah.
Okay, 7:30
It's 7:30 UA
p.m.
time, 7 o'clock,
IS
7:30, 8 o'clock. I'm okay.
UAE. Okay.
That's your convenient time. So basically, if you want to prepone to the time in the because now it's in India, it's 9:30, and once you finish the course, it'll
Yeah.
be 11:30. So we can prepone to 7 o'clock or 7:30 also. It's not an issue.
All right. So 7:30 you're saying about the UAE, right?
Yes, yes. I'm talking about the UA time zone.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Fine. So let's get your SQL installed today.
Yeah.
So you can check the chat part. I have given you one link. Can you share your screen?
You drop a message or you put an
Yeah.
email or like.
No, on the chat section of this meeting. Like above, you can find out the chat, people, raise, react, views,
Yeah,
the
but I
toolbar.
couldn't find that one. Let me see the chat.
Okay, let me share my screen. Maybe you will have the idea.
Yeah, it's actually this is the team which
First
I'm
time you're
offering.
using that.
No, the
Okay.
teams which I'm using is the install my. Oh, but I
Okay.
didn't
So here
receive
is
this.
the see
No,
here is the chat.
I know that, but I didn't receive. I don't know why. So maybe this is not my personal
Mm-hmm.
teams. This is actually opened in my company account. It could be the reason.
No, but
See, I didn't
ideally
see it.
you should receive.
I'll share my screen if you want. I'll share my screen and show that as well.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Please share it. Let me check. Also, have you received the invitation of Canva over mail?
Yeah, I saw. I can see all the invitations.
Mm-hmm. All
So
right.
actually, I open in the not in the app in the window itself. That could be the reason. Then I'll close it and open the app then,
Yeah, maybe.
and then
Try.
I will join. I will close and join the again. Is it okay?
Yeah, 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 fine. I'm waiting. Don't worry about it.
Okay, fine. One second.
Yeah.
Hi.
Yeah, Naveer. Yeah,
Let me see now.
sure. So this is the SQL Server Management Studio, which we are going to utilize for our SQL queries.
So I'm sharing my screen right now. You
Yeah,
can see my
okay.
screen, right?
Yeah, now I can see.
Okay. So basically, I'm not. Okay, let me go to the app first.
Mm-hmm.
Just let us go. Hmm. One
Yeah, I
second.
can see that you're not able to see the chat. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. But let me open the app
Mm-hmm.
from the screen.
Sure.
Items. So the last message, you can see it's from
Mm-hmm.
my, so because this is my, actually my company account,
Yeah.
but through login through my Gmail from my personal email ID, but I'm not able to see. That's why I'm wondering why.
Mm,
It should auto come here actually.
yeah, yeah.
So if I can send
Uh,
it to me an email, it'll be great then.
okay, just give me a minute. Let me. Your email ID. That Gmail one, right?
Yeah, that's correct.
Okay. Okay, you can check out your mail.
Yeah. And yeah, I got a message. Yeah. Okay,
Great.
let me share my screen again. Yeah, that one is better.
Sure.
I'm sharing my big screen. So that actually I first shared my laptop screen, so I'm sharing the big screen. Yeah.
Okay. All right. Now you need to scroll down. Yeah. Now select the Express one. Download now. Yeah. So why we are selecting this Express one? Because this Express one is free version.
Free version.
Yeah. Free version. And the developer one, for that you need to purchase the license.
Yeah, I think I have to change my laptop. Let me try because if
Oh
since this is a
yes.
company email laptop, I think
Mm-hmm.
I have to change it in the laptop. So one second.
Sure.
No, no permission.
Okay.
I'll change my laptop then. That's totally best.
Okay, so
Give me
when you can.
1 minute.
Mhm.
Till now.
Okay. Yeah, sure. I'm waiting. Don't worry about it.
eh, I'm just logging out. Yeah, for a moment. I
Yeah,
will
yeah.
join in 5 minutes max. Yeah.
Sure, sure.
Okay. Hi, hello,
Yes, Naveed.
hello.
Hello? Hello, Naveed, I'm audible.
അത് refresh ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റുന്നില്ല കേട്ടോ.
I'm audible.
ഇതിനകത്ത് hear ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റുന്നില്ല.
Hello?
വാ. Speakers,
വീഡിയോ ഓഫ് അല്ല
microphone അല്ലേ?
ഷെയറിംഗ് ഓഡിയോ ഇല്ലേ ഫാസ്റ്റ് ഓഡിയോ
Speakers. ആ. ഇതിന് അതിന്റെ headset ഇതാണ്. So, അങ്ങോട്ട്
വീട് സിസ്റ്റം ഓഡിയോ കൊടുക്കാറില്ല.
ചാറ്റ് വർക്ക് ചെയ്യുന്നില്ല. Because they sent a message to me, when we log in under your name. ഇത് നിന്റെ പേരിലല്ലേ കിടക്കുന്നത്? പിന്നെ മൈക്രോസോഫ്റ്റിന്റെ പേരിലല്ലേ? ശരി, എന്റെ പേരിലല്ലേ? Hello?
Yeah, Nabi. Yeah,
Hi, I can hear you now.
yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, just give me a
So,
minute.
sure,
Just
sure.
give me a
Sorry,
minute.
yeah, so I thought maybe
That's
it
okay.
was it works in my PC, the other one, and because it's still since it's SQL, it is not a issue for anyone, right? So I was thinking from that
Yeah,
perspective. And that's it.
yeah, yeah. Okay. Just close this one. What did it say?
It's saying
Yeah.
this app you're trying to install is not a Microsoft verified app. Installing from Microsoft help protect the PC.
No, it's a
So
Microsoft one only.
can I say install anyway?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Now
So
select the basic. Basic. Yes. Accept. Install.
so actually this Teams also under my wife's account. So that is why I think I'm not able to see the
Oh,
chat options. So next
yeah,
time I
yeah.
will log in separately through my account.
Sure,
I think that I'll
sure.
get it all the chat options and everything. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. This could be the reason. This might gonna take some time.
Yeah, it's okay.
So basically, in most of the companies, we use the Microsoft SQL Server tool only. So that's why whatever queries we are going to practice, like whatever we are going to learn on the SQL part, here we are going to practice.
Yeah, yeah. So, yeah,
Yeah.
the thing is, I have a question. Basically, it's relating
Mhm.
to the syntax of the DAX or maybe the Power BI, because we are going to completely depending on Power BI going forward. That's the first thing which
Okay.
I'm going to tell
Okay.
you. So all the syntax
Mhm.
are similar in terms of conditions, or will it be entirely differ?
Like if you're talking about the SQL, and so
And
if basically
the
Power
basic
BI,
SQL
yeah,
and basic DAX.
yeah. So text which we are going to cover on Power BI part.
That's okay. That's entirely different, what do you call, syntax and conditions and everything,
Uh,
right?
yeah, it's like you can say similar, just like we have SQL language and we have different tools on which we basically perform the SQL queries. So these
Correct.
queries are like mostly they are similar. Only one or two things which can be different. Like in SQL Server, we have one. I think we have one binary data type which is not part
Okay.
of the SQL Server, but it is a part of MySQL and other SQL tools. In
Okay.
place of binary, we use bit type of data type. So that's like
What's
minima, yeah, bit. So like for
what's the
true
difference
and
between
false.
MySQL and SQL?
Yeah, so there is, see, MySQL is a tool and
Okay.
SQL is a
Okay.
language. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Hey Sammy, I am really sorry. There was some confusion about the timings. So I am Pranjali. So I'm really sorry about whatever the confusion we had.
Hi. Yes. Hello. No
Yeah,
issues. No
yeah.
issues. As long as I
I'm
did
really
not
sorry.
mess up. As long as I did not mess up your schedule, I'm at home. No issues.
No, but see, 9:30 Saudi time will be like too late for in India. It would be like 12 a.m. And it's like I will be not comfortable to, have the session at late night. So
Yes,
that's
of course.
why,
I did not know that IST meant
uh,
Indian Standard Time because I work in
yeah,
aviation, and
yeah.
IST is Istanbul. So I thought you meant Istanbul
Okay.
time.
No, no, no. So there was a confusion.
Yeah, yeah.
So
No
you're
issues.
you're fine with the timings and days now? Like 9:30, is it fine for you?
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
Indian
yeah, it's
Standard
fine with me.
Time?
Actually, it is better. It's fine with me. No issues.
Okay. Okay. So, Sami, what we are going to do today, we are going to install the SQL Server Management Studio. And first, just wait, Navi, just give me a minute.
Yeah.
So, Navi is with us. And he is also one of the participants, and he will be part of the course as well. And here, first, we are going to install this tool, and first we are starting with the SQL course. So here we are going to learn about the SQL fundamentals. All right. So as you said that you have not received any invitation over mail about the Canva. So I have resend it. Have you checked now?
Just a second. Am I required to install something on my computer?
Yeah.
No,
Yeah. So
unfortunately,
this.
I cannot do that on this computer.
Mhm.
Um, so I will need maybe to reconnect from another computer because I'm using this is my work laptop, and I think
Yeah.
for security
Yeah.
reasons.
Yeah.
Okay,
Same thing happened with Naveed. So he is using his wife's laptop.
okay. So please, can you allow me just 2 minutes to switch
Yeah.
computers?
Sure.
Okay, I will
Okay.
leave the session. I'll just switch to another computer. Okay,
Sure, Semi. Not an issue.
thank you.
Okay. Nabir, you need to click on the install SSMS. The third tab.
So this window is open now.
Yeah. Now scroll down slowly. Yeah. Now you're seeing this. No. Just go above. Small. Yeah. Yeah. Click on that. It will again download one exe file. Yeah.
So, yeah, coming back to the MySQL and SQL. So
Mm-hmm.
before launching the MySQL, there will
Mm-hmm.
be an app for SQL. So what was that then?
Okay, just first install this and I will explain everything. Don't worry about it.
Ah, okay, cool.
So you're using Windows, correct?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Now open this file. Run.
Install anyway.
Yeah, install anyway. Yeah, click on install. Yeah. Okay. So have you ever installed this one earlier, like the SQL Server?
No, I don't think.
Mm,
So previous installation like a reboot of the previous installation by the first installation of the first file.
yeah, yeah. You just restart your system.
Okay.
Okay.
And I'll connect it then.
Yeah, yeah,
So I'll restart and connect it then. Yeah.
yeah.
Yes, hello.
Yes, Sammy. Yes,
Can
I'm
you hear
here.
me now? Okay.
Yeah, yeah, I can hear you. All
Okay.
right. So, okay, I am providing this SQL Server Management Studio download link, and you can simply click on that, and you can install this. So I'm going to help you out. Uh, just give me a minute. Please check the chat part, and here I have pasted the link. So it's a verified Microsoft link.
You're sending it by WhatsApp or by?
No, over chat, like on the Teams chat. Can you able to see that chat part? Let me share my screen to show you. So here, at the top, are you able to see my screen?
Uh, yeah, yes.
Okay. So here at the top, are you able to see this chat?
Okay, on the chat. Yes. Okay.
Yeah, yeah. So here, when you click on that, here I have provided this link.
Okay.
Okay. Can you share your screen?
So just a second. We're having trouble loading your messages.
Mm, it is not loading. Okay. Let me provide you over mail.
No, WhatsApp. If it's easier, WhatsApp for you because
Uh, are you not getting any mail or?
no, I just need to check.
Mhm.
I need to open the
Okay.
session because I'm using my son's computer. So uh,
Okay. All right. So let me provide over WhatsApp.
Next time I'll be prepared and install the
Yeah,
email, my email on this
yeah,
laptop.
yeah. Don't worry about it. Don't worry.
But I don't know why I don't know why it's not loading the chat.
Sometimes it happens maybe about because of the security purpose. So
Yeah.
I have just pinged you that link over WhatsApp.
Hello?
Yeah, I have just pinged that link over WhatsApp.
Okay. Yes. Okay. Okay. Try. Okay. I opened the link.
Yeah.
What to do now?
Can you share your screen so I can see? So Sami, yeah, we have can you give me your introduction? We have not introduced ourselves.
Okay. My name is Sami
Mm-hmm.
Ousganda. Okay. I'm a Tunisian national. I'm a resident in Jeddah,
Mm-hmm.
and I'm a bachelor from business administration.
Okay.
So, so IT is not my field.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, okay. I just saw your ad somewhere in Facebook.
Mm-hmm.
I was a bit reluctant to join because sometimes my schedule does not permit. But
Mm-hmm.
anyway, here we are. So let's see
Yeah.
where the adventure will take us. Okay, I'm trying to.
Share the screen. Yeah. So
Can you, can you see my
just
screen?
beside the camera mic, there is share option. You need to click on that.
Yeah, I clicked on that, but it's telling
Okay.
me.
Yeah. So after clicking on that share button, the one window will pop up. There you will see the screen, window or tab. You need to select that first option.
I chose that. Then I have the. I can choose between Chrome window or all the screen.
Entire screen. Yeah. Select the
Yeah,
entire screen tab.
but the
Now,
problem is the share
yeah,
screen. The share button is not accessible.
yeah. Why? Because after clicking on the entire screen, one window screen is appearing over that gray window. You need to select that one first, then your share button will turn into blue.
Okay, I think it's we should
Okay, yeah, it's working
yeah,
now.
okay. So
Glad I helped. Okay, now you need to scroll down and select this Express download now. The
this
Express
one
one
here.
download. Yeah, this one.
So what are we downloading right now?
So we are downloading the free version. There are two versions of SQL Server Management Studio. The first one is developer. The second one is Express. So the developer one is purchase license version where we need to pay to purchase the license. And because we are beginner and we want to simply practice the SQL queries to learn the SQL language, we are going to use this free version tool given by the Microsoft, which is Express one.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay, so shall I
open this
execute the
file.
file?
Yeah, just open this one. Yeah. Okay, it's in different language I can see, but you need to select the first option, basic.
Yeah, because it's in French. Because yeah,
Yeah,
this one.
I don't know. I
I
don't know
don't know
French.
what I don't know why it's in French because maybe we are French speakers. That's why.
Yeah, maybe. Can you okay, just accept this one. Yeah. Install.
Install. Yeah.
If we can change the language to English, that would be better because it's fine like installation
Yes. Where do I change the language? I think it's
on the setting part. I think you will be able to find out. Yeah, click on the setting.
no. Yeah.
The key part is setting, I guess.
Mm, I don't know. I don't know why is.
Yeah, uh, the setting one.
That's the
Yeah,
parameter.
yeah. Mm, Yeah, languages there. Yeah. See, Google, it's French. Yeah, Nabir, what's your status?
So I'm just trying to install a game,
Mm-hmm.
the exe file, yeah.
Okay.
So it's actually it's showing that the package is loading. I think I had to take it'll a couple of minutes to finish. I think looks like.
Okay. Yeah, yes, I mean, now it's in English, I guess. Yes.
No, it's still in French, but
Yeah, still French, but some part is,
in English.
yeah.
No, I think installation is also in
Installation is
French.
French. Yeah. Oh God. Okay, Semi, till that time, let Navi share his screen. Let's see. Okay, Navi, please share your screen.
I'm sharing my screen.
Okay, all right. Okay, almost done. So, Navi and Semi, let me share my screen.
Yeah.
Till that time, both of your installation is going on. So here, you both must receive one mail about the Canva invitation portal. So the portal should look like this.
I yeah, actually I have registered under that.
Mhm.
I can see some of
Okay.
the
Yeah.
dashboard and courses details and everything.
Yeah. Right. So first, I have assigned both of you the SQL, and the second one is Data Foundation. So here, this is the SQL fundamental course. You need to click on this link,
Yeah.
and here you have the introduction part presentation, recorded videos by mentors about like each topic. So if anytime you're facing difficulty, if mentor is not available, or maybe still you're not satisfied with the mentor's answer, so you can simply go on the video and you can watch the video, and again you can come back on the online classes and you can clear your doubts. Okay, so these are all the topics which we are going to cover in this fundamental of SQL course. We have one dedicated video with for the installation, like how you can set up this SQL Server Management Studio. But still, I'll make sure that today in this class you both will get installed the SQL Server. So yeah, and Sammy, if you can check and let me know whether you have received this invitation
For the Canva,
for the Canva. Yeah, I have resigned
okay,
2 times.
So
okay.
yeah,
Yeah,
I
but
received. Let me share my screen
yeah,
for a
yeah, sure,
moment.
no.
I think the
Yeah,
installation also finished, so I can
okay.
show
Yeah,
both.
yes. Yeah, it's completed. Now close it.
So this is the window.
Yeah, this is the data foundation.
So I have to
Go
go
to
the
the dash.
courses. I
Uh,
can.
yeah,
These are the
you need.
courses I can see. Sorry.
Yeah, click on the dashboard, the third option.
Okay.
Yes. Yeah, now these are the tiles, and you need to
Yes.
click on SQL fundamental tile. Yeah,
Yeah. Module introduction and everything, right? So,
yeah, everything is there. So, Sammy, just like Naveen have opened his Canva portal, you must also received one link from our site.
Let me check.
yeah. In the Gmail, if you can, I just typed
Yeah,
as Canvas as a
yeah,
search
yeah.
options. Yeah.
See, see, Sammy, this kind of invitation you must have received, the course invitation. Okay.
Canva free for teachers, is this?
Yeah, yeah, this is the one.
Okay, I'm just gonna.
Yeah, Navi, till the time, just click on your start button, search bar.
Sorry, I just need to transfer the email to this
Uh-huh.
computer. because I was a bit off guard. I did not think that I'll be using this computer. So
Okay. Yeah, Nabi, just click on the search.
Yeah. So I
On
have
the
to type SQ, right?
yeah. So it in the beginning only it is showing. Just close. Just erase everything. Erase everything. Whatever you have typed.
Okay.
No. Yeah. Okay. Close this
okay,
one again. Again, click on the search. So in the now it is not showing. Yeah. So you can see the SQL Server Management Studio and the recommended
Yeah,
on the
this one,
right side.
right?
This one. Click on that. Yes, open that file. So at the bottom you can see just beside the Chrome tab, this
So
yellow
basically,
symbol.
it's open in the different window. So I'll move that. Yeah,
Yeah. Okay. One more window must be opened with this.
yeah, I think I'll share my other screen. So everything is open in the other window. So
Yeah.
okay,
Better.
let me stop sharing this. I'll share this main screen
Yeah.
because I
Share
can't
the
move.
entire screen.
Yeah, I
Okay,
can't move
just share the
that.
entire screen better. Yeah. Yes. The first one. The first one.
Oh, okay. So my mistake. Yeah.
No.
I think I opened another window. No.
Yeah.
Execute.
Yeah, this is the yellow tool you're able to see this yellow symbol and
Ah, it's here. It's here. I can
yeah,
see it.
the application. Yes, this one.
So it opened the other window again.
Yeah. Yeah,
So
no.
basically, this.
Just no. Just click on that yellow symbol just beside the Chrome tab at the bottom.
Okay.
Uh,
So
in
actually, I have done the extension by the. So basically, when I'm trying to open, the window is open. The other screen, I'm not able to share that as well. So wait 1 second. Let me disconnect that extension, then it'll be fine. So you can see
okay.
now, right?
Yeah, now I can see. Now you need to check this box. Okay. Just below the mandatory, there is one. Yeah. Just check on this trust server certificate.
Okay.
Yeah. Now click on connect. Great. Now click on new query. Just below the help option at the top. Yeah. New query. Yes. So this is the white page, you can say, in simpler language, where you can simply type the query and you can execute all of your queries from here.
Okay. Great. Got it.
Okay, now let me help Semi to install
uh,
his.
sorry,
Yeah.
just a
Yeah. Yeah.
second. Yeah, thank you. Just a second, Panjali. I'm a bit confused. Is
Mhm.
Are we doing Canva or SQL? Because excuse my ignorance, because I'm not from IT background. What
Yeah.
is Canva? Isn't
Okay,
Canva
so
the design
okay,
AI tool?
Let me
see
stop
Semi.
sharing. Then let me stop sharing. I think Sami can share his screen and everything. I will stop sharing then.
Yeah. Okay, Semi. So Canva is basically a portal where we have the course content. So we have given you the credential or link through which you can simply go to that Canva portal and you can reach out like first we have assigned you SQL course and data foundation. So you can simply go to that content and you can watch the video. Let me again share my screen.
No, okay, so Canva here is not the Canva tool to
No,
design, which is the AI
yeah,
tool.
no,
Okay,
it's not like that. It's not like so. This is the Canva portal, and there we have all the courses.
okay,
Okay, so first I have assigned
yeah,
you the SQL. Yeah, this course I have assigned you, and the data foundation one. Both courses I
okay.
have
So
assigned you.
okay, so just a second, I'm just gonna share my screen.
Sure.
Okay, so I've opened the invitation. So where do I go here?
Yeah, yeah. Click on the dashboard from the left hand side of the panel, just below the login. Yes. Okay. Again, click on that link from your email. Yes. Get started.
So what's the okay? So should I
So
click on
no,
the?
no. Just click on the get started. No, no. Just
I've
again go
already,
to that tab.
yeah, I've
It's
already
okay. It's
clicked.
okay. Get
Yes.
now accept the course. Accept. Yeah. Accept it.
Where do I?
You need to
Ah,
click
okay.
on accept. Yeah, the green
Okay.
button. I have Canva account. Or just click on create account. With the same email ID, you can create your account.
Create my account.
Yeah. And you can give the password of your choice.
Okay.
And I agree and then register. And don't worry about that, Semi, whether you are or you're not from that engineering background, that's okay. Any
Okay.
time you can learn from the scratch. So I am there to help you out. Okay. Now go to the dashboard. Yeah, there is one more you can see the SQL fundamental. Again, you need to click on the accept, the green button. Yes. Yes, yes. Click on yes. Yes. So these are the content for SQL course. So if you want to go the first module, so click on the module 1 introduction to SQL. Yes. So here you have all the recordings with the content. Okay. Topic wise. So here
Okay.
we have also covered like how you can set up the SQL Server Management Studio. This is the dedicated video along with that like from the basic first you need to how we have downloaded the file everything will be covered in this video. If you want to go on the recording part, if you want to learn from the recording, you can do that, but still we have the online classes. So I am going to cover each topic in this SQL fundamental on the online classes as well. Okay.
Okay. So
Okay.
basically, this Canva is what is the application we're going to use for the courses.
Yeah. So Canva is a
Okay.
portal, or you can understand it by like a library or a
Yes.
folder in which
Ah,
you
okay.
have all the
Okay.
files. Okay.
Okay.
Great. So show me that file which we have like the installed file. We were doing the installation part just beside the at the bottom beside that Chrome tab.
I think I clicked on it. This one.
No, no, just on the bottom, just beside the search toolbar, there is
Can you
one
see? Can
Chrome
you see my
tab.
screen? Are you seeing
Yeah,
my
I'm
screen?
able. Yeah, I'm able to see a screen. So don't click on that. No, don't click on the downloaded part. I am asking you to click on the bottom. There is one bottom.
Where?
Just below, at the bottom.
Here? This one?
No, no, Sammy. So Where is your search? Where is your search toolbar? At the bottom.
Uh,
At the bottom. At
you mean
bottom of the
here?
your
Here?
screen. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay.
On this line, you can see the Chrome tab. Chrome tab is there. Not on the search. I'm on the same line. On the same line, there are two Chrome tabs are opened.
There's.
No, no, don't open that one. Just on that same line, I'm saying.
You mean here?
Yeah, yeah. Below, beside that, there the installation window is open.
You mean this box
Yeah,
here?
yeah, yeah. This box.
Okay.
Okay, click on that. All right. Now click on installer SSMS. Yes. Okay. Now scroll down a little bit. Now stop, stop. Just go above, little bit more. Yeah. Click on this download SQL Server Management Studio link. Yes.
This one.
Click on that. Yeah, this one. Okay. One exe file will be downloaded. So Semi, basically you're looking forward to change your field.
Sorry?
You're looking forward to change your field on data analytics part.
Actually, yeah, why not?
Yeah, actually it's a good field.
Yes. It's something I've wanted to do, يعني, since I chose another path of my career. It is something I wanted to
Mhm.
do before. Why
Okay.
not?
Yeah, it's almost done.
Is it possible to change the field, يعني, for somebody?
Yeah, definitely you can. Like if you have knowledge of these data analytical tools like SQL, Python, Power BI is most important, I can say. These tools can help you out to change your field. The best part of this field, whether you are from a technical background or not, anytime you can learn these tools from the scratch and you can change or you can switch your profile. And there
Okay.
are nowadays so many requirements for the same field, because whatever we are doing with the data, the analysis, whatever we are doing, so basically data analysis, you can say, where we turn the raw data into something meaningful. So here the data will not end ever,
Okay.
right? So yeah, just open that file, the same installer file. Yeah, it's downloaded. Now click on the download, open this one, exe file. Yeah, it is opening. Yeah, click on install. So as I was saying that data will not end ever. So it's
And
better to learn the
we are in
tool
the
from,
age of the big data also.
yeah,
It's the age of the big data now, I guess.
age of, yeah, correct. So see how data helped us to defeat this coronavirus.
How did it help us in the coronavirus?
So scientists and the doctors, they have analyzed the symptoms from patients, and then only they were able to find out the vaccination part, right? So they have done the analysis.
Okay.
Mm, can you show me? No, below. Yeah, the bottom. Yes, just keep it open. Don't minimize it.
Okay.
It's almost done.
So basically, SQL is a language. It's a
Yeah.
computer language. It's like Python or something like that.
Yeah, so basically, SQL, yeah, it's a programming language. And in a simpler way, I can say through this language, we can manipulate the data from the database. Now, if you will ask me what is database, so database in a simpler language, it's a cabinet where we keep our files. Where like how we keep our clothes in a one cabinet, just like that in database we keep all the files for the better security purpose. And in the database we can store as many as file we want. Okay, so now suppose you have some tables in your database, and now what you want to do, yeah, just close this one. You want to maybe update some data, or you maybe want to delete some data from the table you have. So we write SQL query to perform such operation where we manipulate the data.
Okay.
Okay, now click on the search button. Yeah, the search one.
This one?
No, this one is already installed. Now click on the search.
Here, I mean.
Yeah, here. Okay, now type SQL, SQL. Okay. Yeah. Just below the application, select the first option, SQL Server Management Studio 2.0. Below that,
This one?
just
This one?
yeah, this one. Click. Yeah. So even though you don't have the knowledge, you have successfully installed the SQL Server Management. Now check this box, Trust Server Certificate, just below the mandatory field. Yes, now click on Connect. Great. Now you are able to see this help option at the top. Just below this help option, we have this new query button. Click on that at the top, at the top
Top
more.
left?
Uh,
You
so
mean here?
yeah, here, just below that, we have this new query option. Yes, click on
Okay.
that. So you can think of this blank white screen as a page where we write the query. And after writing the query, we execute this one.
Okay.
Okay. Now you can stop sharing your screen and let me give you both a heads up about the sequel. Okay. So as we are going to learn here SQL language. So as I said that SQL language is a programming language which we use to manipulate the data from the database. Now, database, as I said, it is a cabinet where we store our files. Like in our computer, we store the files in folders, correct? So, like that only, we store some tables, some Excel sheet into the databases. And now, if I want to update something, if I want to delete something, I cannot simply just go on the file and delete it. So, there are chances that I can have the large number of tables. So maybe I have the 5,000 rows or columns in one table. So how I will be able to delete that file, that data, that particular data? It will be difficult for me, correct? So to perform such operation, we have the SQL language where we give command to the computer in SQL language to perform to basically to manipulate the data. So you can understand it by let's say you are running one company, and in that company you have one let's say table in which you have details of your employees. Now maybe you have thousand of employees, or maybe you have 10,000 employees details in one table. Now you want to update data of one of the employee. Let's say Sammy is one of the employee in your company, and you want to change his phone number. So what you will do, what will be your approach? You can cannot simply go to that Excel file and scroll down and then you will change the number. It is time taking, correct? For each employee, you cannot do that. So to perform such operation, we have certain statement, we have certain commands in SQL language through which we can simply write one query and one command will uh, as soon as we will execute that command, we will execute that query just in within a second that phone number or maybe the data which we want to update will get updated. So this is why we use the SQL language. Now we have different tools. We have MySQL, we have like SQL Server Management Studio, which we are going to simply use in this to learn the SQL language. We have Oracle SQL, we have Toad, PG Admin, SQLite Studio. Many tools are there, but SQL language is only one, just like English. So SQL language is only one, but tools are different to perform the SQL queries. So as per my choice, I always prefer to use the SQL Server Management Studio developed by the Microsoft, because in most of the companies they use only SQL Server Management Studio. It will also boost up your resume if you simply mention the you are working on the SQL Server Management Studio. Okay. So like our food, we have separate cuisines. We have also separate the SQL commands in different categories. Like we have 5 categories. In 5 categories we have separated the SQL commands. So first category we have DDL, which is data definition language, data manipulation language, data control language, transition control language, and data query language. Now, what will be my approach to teach the SQL? I'm going to cover each topic. Apart from that, I am going to give you one word file for the each topic. Like first, let me show you one topic. So this is the topic where we are going to cover the SQL commands. Here I have written the query. Apart from that, I have explained everything, like each command. So after simply running this query from here to the SQL server, I am going to provide this Word file for each topic over your mail. So what you can do, you can simply run that query on your system, and if you're facing difficulty, you can ask me on the next session. So this is how we are going to learn the SQL. These queries are very big, so it will be very time taking if I simply write the query for each topic, for each command. It is going to take too much time. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take queries from here, run over there, then I'll ask you to share your screen and you can simply run the same query in your system. Clear? So we are going to start the SQL from the next session. So today we have completed the installation part. We have understood what is SQL, and from the next session, maybe on Monday, and Navir, I'll confirm for you. Uh, but Semi, for you, from Monday, we are going to start the SQL language. Okay. So,
Uh,
any queries, guys?
just one question then. Basically, when you before starting, you will share a database for that as well, right?
Yeah, yeah. So first, I am going to basically start with how you can create the database.
Okay, okay,
On that
cool. Yeah.
database, yeah. So we start like by creating the table, then uh, fill some data inside the table, then
Okay.
perform the delete statement. Like that, we are going to work. And
Okay,
I'm
okay,
going to
cool.
provide one Excel sheet as well for the
Okay,
project purpose. Okay.
okay, okay.
All right. So yeah, yes, Amy, you're asking something.
Yes, actually, it's the same question as Nabir has asked, but just
Mm-hmm.
for me to understand, the database, is it like we're using SQL, correct?
Yeah.
Is there a software that goes with SQL, or when you say database like an Excel sheet or Word document, and this data,
Everything will be
where is
there.
this data stored?
Yeah. So everything will be there. Once we start to work on the SQL tool, you will have the better understanding, better picture how we are working on the SQL. Let me again share my screen to show you. Okay. So this is the SQL Server Management Studio. Here you can see the database security server objects. Just click on this database, expand this folder. Here you can see I have so many databases. So these databases are created by me. These are the user databases which I have created for each student. And here I have simply teach them how they can create the table. So if I'm simply expanding one database, so I'm just expanding this tables. So you can see there are some tables which I have created for them. So this part we are going to cover in the course, like how you can first create the database, which is a user database, how you can create the table. If you have some Excel sheet with you and you want to import that Excel sheet into the SQL Server Management Studio, how you can do that, that part also we are going to cover in this course. Okay. We have some sample databases provided by the Microsoft. These are AdventureWorks databases. So how we can import these databases as well as in the system in the SQL Server Management Studio for the practice purpose. Here we have the sample tables. So don't worry about the data. I'll provide everything. Okay. I'm gonna teach you everything from the scratch only. So don't worry about that. So once we start by line means this SQL course, so then you will have the clear picture how you can work on. So let me simply run one simple command where I am creating the database. So for creating the database, we have this create command, create statement. So I need to write simply create. Then I want to create the database. I will write create database and then name of the database. Let's say semi. And then I will select this statement and execute. On the output, we will see commands completed successfully means we have successfully created one database in the SQL Server Management Studio. You need to refresh it from here, open this database folder, expand this one, and now let's look for the semi. It should, yeah, it's here. So you see I have created one database as semi. Now inside this database right now I don't have any table. So first we will start with creating table and then we will start importing the tables into the same database. Okay, clear?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Any other question, guys?
Uh, from my side, no.
Okay. Sammy, how about you?
No, for the moment, no.
Okay, okay. So, okay, let's start afresh from the Monday. Okay. So Monday, make sure you join the session on time so that we can cover everything properly and you will have plenty of time for the hands-on practice. Okay. Semi are fine with the timings and days. Apart from this, Naveer, I'll talk with Yamini for your days
Yeah.
and timings. Okay, I'll
Yep.
confirm with her. Okay. Thank
Friday
you
is
so much.
like again, I just locked because I have to take my
Yeah,
kids for a activity as well, which is but I was not remember time when she said, but I thought because just because of
yeah,
me only you guys are postponed to Wednesday and just because me again postponed to Friday. It's just because of me only. That's why I thought let it go this week, it's fine. But more next week
yeah,
onwards, yeah, just
yeah,
Friday
yeah.
and Saturday is not a better day for me from my the timings which I'm looking on the timings and everything. Yeah.
But you're fine with the Monday and Wednesday.
Oh
Semi,
yeah.
are you comfortable with the Wednesday?
Yeah, it's okay. As seven. What's the time again in GMT?
In GMT, it's I think 7, right, Navi?
No, because I
Seven
think
Eh,
seventy.
I think in India you have a half an hour in your local time, correct?
Yeah,
you-
just give
Sami, you are sitting in Saudi or like which where exactly?
Saudi, I think.
I'm in Saudi, Jeddah. I'm GMT plus 3.
Yes, GMT plus 3.
And
Okay.
Indian Central Time is what? It is GMT plus what?
So basically, I have to check. Okay, if you ask me about that,
So in GMT plus 3, I think it will be like 3 a.m. for me.
4:30, I think, in India, I think it's like 4. Okay, I'll tell you that. I forgot actually.
It's okay. Where are you now? You're in Delhi?
Yeah.
Okay, time in Delhi now. Just a second.
So right now it's 11:50.
Okay, you are GMT. You are Your GMT 5.5.
Five, five and a
5.5.
half. Yeah. Yeah.
Yes. Okay. So 1930 is 14 GMT. Okay.
Okay.
So
So
so that in my local time that's 5 o'clock. So that is 5
like
o'clock Saudi time.
5 p.m., right?
Yes, 5 p.m. Saudi time.
Mhm.
So it will be, yeah, Wednesday. So Wednesday and Wednesday at this
Monday.
time. Monday and Wednesday,
Wednesday.
huh?
Yeah.
No problem. Yes, it's okay. It's fine with me. Yes.
Okay. Monday and Wednesday. And the timings will be you have suggested 7:30 p.m. UAE, right? Nabir?
Yeah, that's correct.
Okay.
So basically,
Okay.
GMT plus 4 is UAE time.
Mhm.
GMT plus 4, which is become that 7:30 UAE time means 9 o'clock. India time it's 9 o'clock.
I'm fine with
And
9, and I'm just I want both
again,
Sammy and Nabi to be on the same page, like
yeah.
for the timings.
Yeah, no problem. Later for me is okay. I have no issue. If it's
So
later, then
7:30, if 7:30 is UAE means Jeddah becomes 6:30. That's 1 hour back actually, if you ask me.
Mhm.
6:30 of Jeddah becomes 7:30 of UAE become 9:30. Sorry, 9 o'clock of India. So that's 1.5 hour.
I'm
Jeddah
fine.
and UAE
Yeah.
2.5 hours. So that's
Mhm.
time zone
So
difference.
for the Semi, it will be 6:30 p.m., right?
no issues
Yes.
for me. Yeah, 6:30 is fine with me. PM. Yes.
Okay, so I'm confirming both of your time for Monday and Wednesday. 6:30 6:30 p.m. for Semi, 7:30 p.m. for Navi, and 9 p.m. for me.
Yeah, that's correct.
Okay, okay, clear, Sami?
Yeah, clear.
Okay, all right.
Thank
So,
you.
guys,
Thank you.
okay,
Yeah.
see you on Monday.
Just one question. The two applications that we installed,
We
the
have
SQL
installed only
server
one. Yeah, we have only installed one
says,
application.
shall I quit? Okay, I think I only installed one application.
Yeah,
It will
yeah,
remain on the toolbar below, correct? For next time, huh?
yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay. Okay,
Okay.
clear.
So, okay, Semi, one more thing. I have sent like a Teams meeting over mail as well. So, have you received that mail about the meeting apart from the WhatsApp?
Yes, I received an email. Yes,
Mhm. Great, great.
I received the Teams invitation. Correct. Yes.
Okay, okay, that's fine. Okay, guys, so see you on Monday.
See you.
Okay.
Thank you. Thanks.
Okay, thank you. Bye bye.
Thanks.
Thank you, Barb.
Bye.
See you on Monday. Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye.
Bye.